This is Next Tech News. Well, with countries, namely China and Russia, pushing forward with plans for killer robots, the U.S. has been quietly developing autonomous military drones of its own. DARPA is the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Now, they've awarded a contract to Lockheed Martin to expand this technology to the sea. The goal is to develop unmanned undersea vehicles. The UUVs can operate for extended periods of time without human support or maintenance. The Manta Ray project demonstrates technologies that are critical to this mission. Now, these include new energy management techniques, low power, high efficiency propulsion systems, lower power underwater detection systems, and new materials that can better prevent biofouling. What's that? Well, that's the scientific term for developing barnacles and corrosion. I didn't know that. Manta Ray will be a multi-phase program that eventually includes at-sea demonstrations of these technologies. Now, these are payload-capable UUVs that'll give extra capacity to military commanders without disrupting their operations. Key aspects of the Manta Ray program are classified.